Need reliable natural gas backup power? Take a look at this Cummins C150N6 generator set, available now from Power Generation Enterprises. Powered by the dependable Cummins QSJ8.9G natural gas engine, this unit delivers 150 kilowatts of standby power and operates at 480 volts, 3-phase, 60 Hz, and 1,800 revolutions per minute. Built for commercial, industrial, healthcare, and critical facility applications, this generator features a sound-attenuated weatherproof enclosure, advanced PowerCommand controls, and the fuel efficiency and cleaner operation that natural gas power is known for. Whether you're protecting your facility from outages or upgrading your standby power system, the Cummins C150N6 delivers the performance and reliability you can count on. We currently have multiple units available. For pricing and availability, call Power Generation Enterprises at 818-484-8550 or visit powergenenterprises.com. Power Generation Enterprises, powering your business when it matters most.